everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion. Our Eid special series is going on, and today I'm going to share another interesting recipe for Iftar party, that is chili paneer potato cups. It's very interesting, unique, easy to make recipe or party food which can be made anytime and for your guest. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you get all the notification of my further video. Now we will start the recipe of chili paneer potato cups. For that, here I have taken 4 boiled potatoes and I'm going to cut them into halves like this. And I have boiled the potato fully, but not too much that they are too soft. You don't need the potatoes to be too soft. So they are done. Now I'm going to scoop out the potato from the middle and make a small hole or small well into the potatoes. Use a sharp spoon and scoop out the potato from the middle like this, as much as you can. Make sure you don't break the potato. So it's done, and you can use the rest of the potato for making other dishes, any other dishes like chops and cutlets or anything else. So it's done. One potato is done. So that's how I have done all the potatoes. Now we will make the stuffing. For that, here I have taken 1.5 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Let it get nice and hot. Then add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste and fry it a little bit. Next goes 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and fry it as well, and 1 teaspoon of green chili paste, and I'm frying them over low flame so that the ginger, garlic and green chili doesn't burn. Now I'm going to add green bell pepper or capsicum. Here I have taken half of a capsicum, 1 small tomato chopped, and I have finely chopped them into very small dices. Next I have added yellow bell pepper. I have chopped half of yellow bell pepper and I'm going to now cook them on high flame because I don't want them to become mushy. Next goes in 2 tablespoons of spring onion white part. Mix it, and then goes 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce. Now fry them just a little bit. Keep the flame on high. And now goes 2 teaspoons of red chilli sauce. You can adjust the spiciness of the chili according to your taste. You can increase or decrease the amount of red chili sauce according to your taste. Mix it. Next add 2 tablespoons of water and mix as well. Now turn the gas into medium. Next I am going to make a slurry of corn flour. For that, 1 tablespoon of corn flour and add 2 tablespoons of water into that. Mix it. Dissolve the corn flour into the water. Then add the corn flour slurry into the prepared mixture. And cook it just a little bit for a few seconds, 30 seconds or 45 seconds. Then add salt according to taste. The sauces contain salt, so make sure you use the salt in less amount. Then add half a teaspoon of sugar and mix as well. Sugar will enhance the taste. Next, add 50 grams of cottage cheese or paneer cut into very small dices. Because we are going to stuff them into the cups, that is why I have cut all the vegetables and paneer into very small dices. Now mix them up and it's done. Now add some spring onion greens and mix. You can put it like this, but I'm going to add just another thing, that is 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. This is optional. If you don't want it sour or tartness, then don't add it, but I think lemon juice will enhance the taste. So now our stuffing is done. Here in another pan I'm frying the potato cups nicely till they are crispy and golden brown from all the sides. It has to be very crispy. So over medium to high flame I have fried them like this. It took me like 10 minutes. So now I'm going to remove them on tissue paper so that all the excess oil are soaked into the tissue paper. Now see, into the cups there are oil present, so I'm going to wipe off that excess oil using a tissue paper as well. Like this, wipe off all the excess oil from the whole of the potatoes. Now I'm going to arrange the potato cups onto a plate. And now I'm going to place the stuffing into the hole. But before that, you need to sprinkle some salt and black pepper, because I haven't put any salt while frying the potato cups. That is why I'm seasoning this with some salt and pepper. Next, place the stuffing into the cups. Like this, as much as it's possible. So all of them are done. Now garnish them with some spring onion greens, chopped spring onion greens, or you can add chopped coriander leaves as well. And they are done. Doesn't they look so delicious and mouth-watering? Wasn't this recipe is so easy to make but unique for a party food? So do make this recipe for your friends and family, and especially the kids. They are going to love it. And let me know in the comment section below about your feedback, whether you like it or not. And also don't forget to share the video, like the video, and also comment on the video and subscribe. Thank you.